Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. I solidly say this. Very unfortunate. The wanted commission that we have seen, the list that was published, I call it locally as wanted, means pick and choose and give what you want. It is rather unfortunate. And the history of this country will put us in box, where a former president who had served for 22 good years, maybe what was left was even his shoes, they wanted to auction it. The start, they wanted to auction it. Currently, you don't even owe any 10 by 10 or 5 by 5 meters in a country that he has ruled for 22 good years. And today we have seen, as Honorable Member of Lower Fuladu, what he has said. Nobody in governance wouldn't have errors. But thank God, the Speaker of the National Assembly, being in opposition in 2019, a press conference that we have organized about the looted assets that we have said, put into it that the way the commission and issues were going, it was not in line. You are vindicated. Thank you for being vindicated. The current former secretary, who had resigned, what he has echoed, he went to the media, spoke about issues. He was not listening by us as Gambians. Thank you for him being vindicated. National Assembly members, all of us, jointly together, I want to put this to the member of Olundum constituency. Honorable Speaker, if you permit me, who has said that the minister came, what questions which was asked by the minister was fully answered. I am saying to him, it's a big error. The minister came and did haphazard answers. That is March 7, 2023. He came with a list. And my question, if you permit me to go through it, is this. Honorable Speaker, could the Honorable Minister of Justice provide this August Assembly with details, compilation of total sales of former President Yahya Ejeje Jammeh land assets, Vision 2016 rice, cows, ships, tractors, cars, trucks, vehicles, furniture, gold, and any other valuable assets registered by Jammeh's name, including the sales, buyers list, prices of each sold asset. It was when the Minister of Justice came on the 7th of March 2023, gave a list, the names of the compound, and the prices only. We revolted to what he has failed the Assembly. On the 10th of March, he came back and substituted a list, writing and saying that he is now redoing the other list, giving another list on the 10th of March 2023, in which he has said now, the list listed the names of the compound, the amount was listed, and the buyers were done. Where were the names who bought the cattle, who bought the ships, who bought the gold, and other valuable assets? We were left at the dark. In that darkness, members here will even point at us and saying that we are supporters. We are asking. The reason why we stood for 3 good years is what has been unearthed today. That is, however long that it will take, we will suddenly stand and ask for this. These are assets of you and me, born and not born, as Gambians. And in so doing, the youths have taken the steps. Thanks to Mustafa, and I'm putting this across, my time is ending. Let's all join hands and open our eyes, watch and protect Mustafa for a diligent job that he has did. Let's all join hands and protect the youths of also availing our failure as representative. Because what? We were more of partisans, giving names, lockup and titles, and saying he is following too much. We will follow. It was said that it is forfeited. Taken. It is no more his. It is ours. Why can't we ask? And we are asking. And the committee, as what the Deputy Speaker said, I concur. If you know you are an interest group, please excuse yourself. We have arsenals that are prepared and we will lay them here if the report is laid. I therefore submit. Salaam.